In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge shapes in PowerPoint. So the first thing you need is a few shapes you want to merge, and you get these by going up here to Home, and then just selecting some random shapes. So let's say I want a rectangle with rounded corners, and I'm going to put it here in the middle. And then let's put a few more. So let's put a downward pointing arrow here, for example. Let's say I want it in the middle. And then let's use two circles on the upper portion of this rectangle here. So I want to draw a perfect circle, so I hold down Shift and then drag out a perfect circle. And I'm just going to copy this circle right now and put it in here as so. Now, let's see how you can merge these shapes. First thing you have to do is select all these shapes. You can do this by either dragging it like this, or by clicking each and every single shape and holding down Shift. So if you hold down Shift and select all of these, as you can see, they're all selected simultaneously. And then you go up here on Shape Format and press over here on the left where it says Merge Shapes. And then you have 5 different options. The first one, as you can see, is Union. And if you click on Union, as you can see, this object now acts as one, and there are no more borders, and it's basically a singular object. Okay, so that's the first option. Now, the second option that we've got, if I revert back to what it was before, is Combine. As you can see, those are now combined, and the inside portions that were overlapping before are now empty, so there's nothing in there. Okay. Let me revert back to show the third one. Okay, so the next one is Fragment. This is an interesting one. You can basically drag every single piece of this object around by its own, which can be useful if you're making some advanced PowerPoint presentations. Okay, now let me do this again for the intersect. Now the intersect is kind of weird. Okay, it basically deletes the entire shape on your screen. And then for the last one, I'm going to show you the, for the last one, I misclicked. I'm going to show the subtract. As you can see, it now deleted the things that were overlapping. So this object is the only thing that is left. And yeah, those are the 5 options of merging shapes. And I hope this video helped you out.